like to say something especially to my sisters and to my daughters who are here. You know very well that every community, the unit of a community or the unit of the human society is the family. The family is the unit. And the family is built up, the axis of the family is the mother. The family revolves around the mother, revolves around woman. And the family becomes and grows in accordance with the merits or demerits of the mother, more than of the father. Because the father is always a very tricky person. He has connection with his son and daughter, you see, he is the father, you see, but he would always like to keep away counting his money at the counter and just thinking about how much more money can be made. It is the mother who is more loyal to the child and wants to stay with the child, you see. And therefore it is the mother who impresses the child with her personality more than the father. And consequently it has been said, the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. That is true. Unfortunately, some of the Muslims do not realize, have stopped to realize that what rights Islam has given to the women folk and how they should treat the women folk.